So ever since I saw this case right here for the iPhone, I knew when I got the S23 that I was gonna have to check it out. And Spigen was nice enough to actually make us one for the S23 as well. So let's talk about it. All right, so there we go. This is the Spigen 01 or the teardown case or the Spigen hybrid, whatever you want to call it, but it's for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Now, I will tell you that I don't know. I kind of feel like the iPhone looks a little bit better, and it may be because that blue kind of contrast off of the case itself, but I like the iPhone in it better. And the iPhone case has a magnet in it. This one does not. So let's talk a little bit about it. This is the 01. It does show you the housing for that, Qi charging, but there's no magnet in there. You can actually add one to the back. I've seen a lot of people just add one, but this one is not magnetic. It is a rubberized TPU. Nice tactile buttons on it. You have individual cutouts for those cameras right there. They're pretty much flush, and I actually have lens protectors on here, so the lens protectors actually kind of protrude through just a little bit, but your cameras are still protected, and the lens protectors fit just as good with this case. Front bezel, you got one up top, one down bottom, all case, all the time. Front of your screen will not be scratched up, will not be damaged when you drop it on a flat surface. I'd say flat surface because let's say you got a rock here and you drop it, boom. You drop it directly here and there's no protection. So flat surfaces only. Tables, floors, cushions on a seat. That's pretty much it. You're gonna be able to just drop it on those things, and most people don't just drop their phone. Upside down and boom, easy to get to, no issues there. All our cutouts match up really well. As for our wireless charge, we know it doesn't have a magnet in it, but boom, there we go. I didn't have any doubts that it would support our wireless charge, but that's pretty much it. Once again, the Ultra hybrid or the 01 or the Spigen teardown, it's all those things rolled into one. It's a great case. It's not a lot of weight on it. It's gonna add about another ounce to your device or so, but that's pretty much it. It's a great accessory for you to pick up for this expensive device, and it is gonna protect it as well. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Go by and check it out. And I'm gonna drop a poll and say which one wore it best, because right now I'm kind of leaning towards this iPhone over here. But you let me know. I'll post a poll and let you decide which one wears this thing the best. Hopefully this has been able to help someone out. And until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.